퇴사할지 모르니 이거라도 열심히 찍어놔야 되는데. 여기는 많이 와도 내가 팀장님 그때 저도 삼촌인데 민경이도 이렇게 강수하고 된 거 같아. 나쁜 게 아니라 이렇게 너무 깜짝이야. 원래 편이 다른데 원래 막 아, 얘랑 한 것보다는 어떻게 나게 되는 거야. 그렇지만 나 그냥 그런 식으로 얘기한 게 나은 맞아. 만족해라고 했대. 그러니까 이 정도면 괜찮다. 진짜.
해봐. 오케이.
해놨으니까 한 번에 많이만 올리지 마시고 필요하신 만큼 부으셔서 소금이 모르겠어요. 일단 차는 내가 가야 될 것 같아요.
맛있다. 먹어. 한번 보여줘. 이거 해서 보여줘.
어떻게 해야지? 아,
오, 나이스. 맛있겠다. 어.
이거 안에가 맛있. 야채를 담아서 이렇게 씻어서 해놓으니까 너무 좋은데?
고기 다 했다 진짜. 이마리가 너무 맛있는데? 그 사진 찍으려면 샐러드도 많이 먹으면 미늘어 난다고. 조금씩 나눠 먹으래요.
야, 미나리가 더 칠잖아.
요즘 대파가 이렇게 많이 올랐다면서요?
화장인데 닭보다 화가 되지 않아. 농사를 지어도 온전을 못 줘요. 가격이 너무 싸서. 나도 저기 가면 뭐 하던 거래.
25 I want to buy a fan.
The next day.
자, 오늘 소 있다 생각하고 내가 엉덩이를 퍼져주는 거야. 이거 하나만 더 이렇게. 다 준비되었을 때 중간 다. 그렇지. 자, 천천히 가, 천천히 가. 그렇지, 천천히 고 스탑.
You're the best out of all of them. I read every letter you sent, even when you left town again. Been through hell and then back again. And you're never too serious. They think that you sleep too much, but they don't know you like I do. Wanna sit here and talk with you, as if nothing else matters, as if nothing else matters, as if nothing else matters. I don't know where we'll go. Can we grow? This is home, as if nothing else matters. Can we fly? You've got
자전거 타러 나왔는데 너무 추워요. 너무 춥다.
2 hours later. The next day.
So order socks. So I got 3 pairs of socks from a company called Not a Stain. Each of them were about like $8, which isn't like too cheap. $8, $9. But I thought they were so cute. And you guys know that I've been working out a lot. So all of my Nike socks were getting like old and stuff. Oopsie. So one is just like a pastel light purple. This is actually cuter than I thought. I hate dark purple. I don't know why. Second one's super cute. It's this one. The last one is this one. This also looks like a tie-dye. I can't wait to try them. Okay. And it's this one. So in English, this is called digestive enzymes. And I'm not sure why this stuff is so expensive in Korea. Like my friends Chia and Hongju looked it up on Amazon and they were actually digestive enzyme were like, what? This is like sweet potato flavor. A lot of people say digestive enzyme tastes disgusting. So you're gonna end up not eating it if this doesn't taste good. So it looks like that. You take it in an empty stomach or on a day when you ate a lot of carbs. This helps to break down the food in your system so then you don't have like excessive amount of carbs left in your system, which becomes okay, so it looks like that. I will go ahead and keep you guys updated on how effective this is.
The next day.
I came to make a name. Got your star and leave it on that pavement. Came to entertain. But what I didn't know is that a stage would be my gauge. Cause when you only see your beauty in the applause, you can't love yourself in their silence. Yeah, I wanna see my worth when no one else does. I keep looking and I keep trying, but I feel my Hollywood heart, and it's every beat is a knockoff. I'm tryna heal my Hollywood heart, but it's hard to give it my trust. Cause Hollywood heart is a faker. Hollywood heart doesn't show when it's breaking. Hollywood heart is a hater. Hollywood heart isn't whole till you make it. I try to be good to the girl on the couch on a free day. Easier to say than do. Words pop up like loser. No, it's not cool. But when you only see your beauty in the applause, you can't love yourself in their silence. Yeah, I wanna
So I totally forgot that I left my comforter at the tailor shop. Not the tailor shop, at the what is it called? Like laundry room? So the manager called me, so I finally picked it up. Tuna bibimbap. I got, so let me show you what I got. So I went to the grocery and oh shit. I got this light tuna. This was like 2 times expensive than the regular tuna, but okay, better. So per 100 grams, there's a little bit of a sodium, so I'm gonna rinse it off, but there's no carbs, no fat, and there's 21 grams of protein, which is amazing. That's why I think this was like 2 times expensive. Anyways, I got tuna. I'm going to put perla leaves, sesame leaves, cucumber. I was gonna get avocado, but I totally forgot about it. I have 1 green pepper, and this is brown rice with konjac rice mixed with konjac. So the whole thing is 150 grams, but it's only 120 calories. I don't eat this at once. I usually divide it. I only eat like 50 to 100 grams per each meal. And I have hemp seed, I have washed veggies, and I'm gonna put sriracha on top. So let's get in.
So apparently, a lot of you guys like yogurt and granola, and sometimes there's just nothing better than a refreshing, simple bowl of yogurt. Nut butters, thank goodness. And if you don't like this combo, please explain why. I don't want to know the next video. French toast deserves more recognition. This was honestly mind-blowingly delicious.
I wanna be there when it rains. I wanna know you on your bad days, baby. I wanna be there when you start to think the wrong things in the right time frame. So I'm on my way to hold you close. If it rains outside, we'll stay indoors with a glass of red. We'll sing in prose. We'll do what it takes to feel at home in the dark. Feel at home in the dark. Feel at home in the dark. I think we're only getting bored. I think we're hanging with the wrong crowd, maybe. I wanna leave you, but I know we won't. What's left to do or to articulate? So I'm on my way to hold you close. If it rains outside, we'll stay indoors with a glass of red. We'll sing in prose. We'll do what it
the rice, but it's so tiny.
It took me about 4 seconds to make, so highly recommend. Okay, but your recipe seemed simple enough that I wasn't too petrified. I dumped a whole bottle of wine in by accident, or maybe on purpose, who knows? A lot of alcohol. Mmm. Good cheese. Oh, I'm in Spain. How beautiful. My rice is all. Ours, if you fan, you definitely have to do this.
I can't see the rice or tuna. Okay, I see them. I hate folding my laundry, so it's been just laying there for like a week or so. But anyways, I got 2 more packages today, so I thought I should unbox it with you guys. I've been ordering outfit for my body photo shoot, so this strapless tank top. Oh, that's so cute. Did she write this? And she gave me a little gummy bear, which I can't eat right now. Anyways, so it's just a simple Nike. It's customed. So it has Nike in the back. It looks like that. I'm gonna try this on soon. Today. Another place called 칼로바이. It's a chocolate banana. Okay, chocolate banana flavor. And this is lactose free. The whole thing is 168 calories. And how much protein is it? 27.5 grams of protein, which is almost like the same as 100 grams of chicken breast, I believe. I think chicken breasts usually have like 23, 25. Okay, so I ordered 10 of them. And then another thing I order is a protein drink. It's a grape flavor. And who gave me a bottle of this? She gave me a bottle of this protein drink. It's called Protein Aid, like lemonade, like Protein Aid. And nice. It's crazy. They don't have any carbs. There's no sugar, which is amazing. No fat. There's 15 grams of protein, which is almost like half of this protein shake. But this protein shake probably has oh yeah, I almost missed it. The nutrition's info is like up here, but it's in yellow. So this one is 168 calories. Let me compare it. This is 70 calories. This has like a little bit of sodium. This has no sodium. 14 grams of carbs with 12 grams of sugar, 당류, fat. 1 1 and lots of protein. So I think I should drink this. This is more for when I'm on a strict diet. So, but when I tried this one, it smells great. The flavor's funny because when you take a sip of this, you can taste the milk in the beginning. It's so funny.